Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart. Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams that will take your car security to the next level. On the left, we have the VIOFO A119 V32K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Vantrue N43 Channel 4K dash cam. Get ready for some serious comparison action. Let's kick things off with video quality, because who doesn't want crystal clear footage when it comes to capturing those unexpected moments on the road? The VIOFO A119 V3 boasts a 2K resolution at 60 frames per second, thanks to its advanced 5 megapixels IMX335 Sony Starvis sensor. It's like having a professional cinematographer in your car. On the other hand, the Vantrue N4 takes it up a notch with its triple-channel setup, offering not only a 4K front camera, but also a 1080p rear camera and a 1440p inside camera. It's like having your own personal security team. Plus, the 360-degree adjustable rear camera ensures you won't miss a thing. Now let's talk about parking mode. We all know that sinking feeling when we come back to our car and find a dreaded dent or scratch. The VIOFO A119 V3 offers 3 parking mode solutions: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. With the auto event detection, it automatically records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event. Talk about being prepared. But wait, the Vantrue N4 has something up its sleeve too. It features a low bitrate recording parking mode that continuously records, while decreasing video quality to maximize storage. And if that's not enough, it also has motion and collision detection that triggers automatic recording. It's like having a car alarm on steroids. Let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. Driving at night can be a challenge, but not with these dash cams by your side. The VIOFO A119 V3 comes equipped with a Sony Star VIS 5 megapixels image sensor and HDR function, ensuring clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. Say goodbye to blurry license plates. On the other hand, the Vantrue N4 takes night vision to a whole new level. With its high-performance STARVIS CMOS sensor and IR LED lights facing the car cabin, it captures clear videos of both the road and the interior, making it perfect for rideshare drivers. Who needs night vision goggles when you have the Vantrue N4? Based on online reviews, the VIOFO A119 V3 is praised for its ease of installation, video quality, and reliability. Reviewers recommend it to others and believe it provides good customer service. On the other hand, the Vantrue N4 is lauded for its exceptional performance, picture quality, and advanced parking mode options. Reviewers appreciate its ability to capture all sides of the car with multiple cameras. Overall, both dash cams have their own unique strengths. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the VIOFO A119 V3 and the Vantrue N4 in 3 categories, and both dash cams have their own unique strengths. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. Don't forget to check the description below for more information and purchasing links. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more product comparisons, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Until next time, happy shopping and drive safe.